Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great Sunday. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I do all things budgeting, and today is August the 20th. So with that being said, I want to pick up where I left off on my last video, showing what I'm going to do with the leftover money that was $351. So I've already have everything written out. I just need to show it to you. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And you definitely want to keep your notifications turned on because I may have some random giveaways coming soon, so you never know. Anywho, when it comes to spending, I did budget for $121. Yes, that's right, $121. Why? Because I do get paid Wednesday, and I figured since we just came from New Orleans, even though, we made sure we didn't have much food here, we probably won't need anything much. So that's why I did 121. And when it comes to gas, I'm only doing $20. Before I left, I did go ahead and fill up. So I really won't need much gas. Leftover is $210, which is going to this savings challenge. So Tanya's budget and chaotic life savings challenge is getting $210. And that's it. That's the budget. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty simple to follow. And we have zero left. So what I did, I had to zoom out because this was way too big. And if you haven't seen this budget planner before, it is the Easy Cash Budget Planner with Savings Challenge Special Edition. So in the back, if I can make it to the back, we have saving challenges from Salisa at Beautifully Me and You. And this is what the back cover looked like. So we have $210 going to this savings challenge. And what I'm going to do, since I did say that everything would be digital this month, I'm going to insert a screenshot here showing where I did move the money to the right spot, just that way, some people don't truly believe that when we say digital, they think that just because, we all use prop money, they think that we don't actually have the money in the bank. So here's my proof. And what I'm going to do is get a coin or scratch token. That way we can get started. We have 210 on the calculator, and let's get started with scratching. Of course, the month of August is no sinking funds, but put that money towards your saving challenges versus the saving. Wait, I just said that all wrong. So instead of putting money towards your sinking funds, you will put that towards your savings challenge. And then that was created by these two lovely ladies, and I will tag them below. So I'm just going to, let's see, this is 4, that's 3, that's 4, 3, 3, 3. So I probably start over here and just scratch one line at a time. So we have 10 bucks. So 200 left. I should have got a quarter. Oh my goodness. A $50. Wow. These numbers still shock me, y'all. I am not playing like they definitely shock me. So 150 bucks left. Oh my goodness. I thought that was a 30. Well, I guess it's not too bad since we're trying to get this finished before my family reunion, which is next month. If not, I'll just take what I get. We have $100 left. Sorry, y'all. The air zone and my nose is running, and it's just a mess. Okay, 15 isn't bad at all. $85 left. Oh my goodness, I thought that was another 50. I don't think I can take another 50. So we got $80 left. Whew. Oh, I like this line right here because this one right here, man, it took me out. We got $65 left, and we'll just keep scratching until we can't scratch anymore. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do that again. I'm going to pause. Okay, so we have 65 minus 25. So we got 40 bucks left. And let's see what we get. And it's okay because I do have some cash in my wallet that hasn't been accounted for since it is from vacation. So I'm going to use that as well. So 50 bucks. We got 40. So we owe 10. And what I'm going to do, wait, what is this? So here's that $1 bill. And we have all of this cash that I took for vacation, but I never really used it. Y'all, look at this. I think something ended up spilling on this $1, but a dollar is a dollar. We'll still use it. So we know we owe 10 bucks. So we got 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61, 62, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $84. So we'll go ahead and take out 10. And let's just keep playing until all of this money is used up. And someone is calling me right now, but I can't answer because I am recording. There we go. So $10. And then, so we did 50. Let's go ahead and I don't know where my coin went, so we'll just use this quarter. Oh my goodness. Like, what? Okay, so we got to give up 40 bucks. So 10, 15, 25, 35, 40. And now we only have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, $34. So let's see what we come up with. And let's start at this one right here. So we got 10 bucks. Let's see, 5, 10. And then we'll do this one. So this one is 25. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. Wow. So this game is over with. And I'm pretty sure I have a dollar somewhere laying around to fulfill that $1. As a matter of fact, I got a dollar in quarters. So I'll just use that. So now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that right? 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more to go. So I'm hoping I'm able to get this taken care of before we leave out on vacation. Of course, if not, I'll just use whatever was left from the last vacation for the family reunion, plus the amount that's in the bank and this cash right here. So for the ones that wanted to keep up with Travis Savings Challenge, he has 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has these 4 to go. And remember that all of these are just random numbers. I'm not really sure what they were. Of course, I can look at Canva because I made it on Canva. So we'll see. And I'll let you guys know how much money he did save. So I have Happy Mail. Let's see if I can, okay, not get into the box. So Mama did send me a message on Instagram asking about me showing some of her products. Of course, I did tell her yeah. And these are the things that she sent. So she sent a thank you so much. When you shop from a small business, you support a big dream. And this is her information here. I will have her information down below. And if you order from my link, I would get a commission of a certain amount. And of course, all of that will be linked below in the description. So we have the thank you card. We have a $200 savings challenge that looks like this. Oh, this is pretty cute and easy to do. We have budget sheets. And my hands are so, ooh. Do y'all hear that? That's real thick. So it's quite a few of these. So it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 of these. As you can see, they are pretty thick. And these are one-sided. And they're small enough to fit wherever you need them. Oh my goodness. So this is the binder that she said she was going to send. And guys, if you don't know, I freaking love butterflies. So let me pause this to open it. Oh my goodness. I freaking love butterflies. And this is very, very beautiful. Like when she mentioned butterflies, I'm like, yes, go ahead. Yes, send it on. Send it, send it, send it. So it looks like this. Oh my goodness, this is freaking amazing and beautiful. Oh my goodness. So this is an A6 size binder. It is clear, of course. And to have it to lay flat, all you have to do is kind of bend the front and back. She did send these, which I like these because you don't have to get somebody to make them or make them yourself. So you have personal emergency insurance, pet debt, savings, birthday, shopping, utilities, allowance, medical, beauty, gifts, gym, date night, splurge, home, goods, gas, vacation, loan, kids, dine out, clothes, insurance, groceries, anything that you could think of for categories. And let's see. Oh my freaking goodness, look at these envelopes. They're so sturdy. Wait, how do you... Okay, I don't want to... Oh my goodness, that's even better. So let's see how they look with some cash in it. Okay, so all of the money that I just used for my scratch off, we're going to put it all in here to see how it looks. Not upside down though, Desiree. Oh my goodness, I like this even better. Look at that. It's so smooth. Of course, that dollar, I don't know what's on it. But this is so smooth compared to, hold on. Okay, let's go ahead and compare the two. So these are about the same. This one is thicker than this one. Also, this kind of stops it from being so thin. So I do like this one better compared to the one with the zipper on it. But that's what the cash looks like. And you can just take it out. And it's flat again. So what I'm going to do with these, of course I need to take all the little thingies out. Hold on. So what I thought about doing with these is using the binder set from Soul Mama to make a self-care binder. And of course it would just be for me. It would have things like girls trip for me and my friends. I would have a category for health. I would have a category for maybe beauty, shoes and clothing. You know, the time of the month where you need to buy extra chocolate and stuff because you just craving some of everything. So, you know, something like that. And I got the inspiration for the self-care binder from Gina Renee RM Budgets. If you haven't seen her Etsy shop, definitely check it out and go ahead and get that 25% off. I'll link her information here and down below in the description. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm going to go sit down because I am currently standing at the moment. I gotta make sure that you all are in frame, which you are. So have a happy Sunday. I'll post another video on probably Thursday. My best friend mom is having some at her house and she wants me to ride with her Saturday, so I'll probably be gone during that time. So I'll post another video and probably schedule another video. So bye.